Hello again, everybody. Okay, a lot of people are not very impressed with mathematical card tricks, but if you use a combination of mathematical card tricks together, you can create an amazing mentalism card trick. Now, this was sent to me by Calibus71, and there's a link to his tutorial at the end of this video, so if what I'm saying doesn't make sense, you can see exactly what he does. So, what you're going to do is you're going to have the spectator divide the deck into 6 equal piles. And they can cut the cards into 6 equal piles. And since I'm going to just do the tutorial as I go along, I'll tell you why. Because you do not want more than 12 cards in any one pile. Otherwise it won't work. So, you've got 6 equal piles with 52 cards in the deck. 9 times 6 is 54. So, you shouldn't really have more than 9 cards or 10 cards. 12 cards should be fine. So we've got 6 piles. Hopefully all of them have less than 12 cards. And we ask the spectator to select a pile. Let's say they choose this one. Flip the cards over and ask them, ooh, that's not lucky. Ask them to memorize any one of these cards. So let's say they memorize the 8 of diamonds. That's going to be their card. Now all we're going to do is memorize the bottom card, the 6 of clubs. So we close up the pack and we place the pack right in the middle and bury it in the middle of the deck. Now, the spectator's card is the 8 of diamonds, and we're remembering the 6 of clubs. We'll have the spectator cut the cards, we'll finish the cut the cards, we'll finish the cut. We could do this as many times as they like. Now we're going to say, well, we're going to just look through the deck to see if we can get a feel for your card. What we're actually doing, and they know that there's no possible way we can know what card they're thinking of, we're actually going to be looking for our key card, the 6 of clubs. So as soon as we find the 6 of clubs and we hold the cards up, as soon as we find the 6 of clubs, we get that right to the bottom of the deck. Again, their card's the 8 of diamonds. Now what we're going to do is we're going to count off 20 cards in our heads and place them on the bottom of the deck. The easiest way to do this is in groups of 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20, place it on the bottom of the deck. Now we're going to go into what I have as the cut card trick revealed. It's a self-working card trick. There's a link for cut card trick right here on the screen. You can click on the link to see how this trick works. So once again, the spectator's card is the 8 of diamonds, and we are now making 4 equal piles and dealing the deck out 4 equal piles. So once this is done, we're going to ask the spectator which pile they see their card in. Do you see the card in this pile? No 8 of diamonds? No. You see the card in this pile? No 8 of diamonds? No. See the card in this pile? There's the 8 of diamonds. Now, the way this trick works is their card has to be either the 6th, the 7th, or the 8th card of the pile they tell you that their card is in. And the reason why is because 6, 7, 8, that's 3 possible cards, times 4 piles is 12 cards. And that's why we don't want more than 12 cards in any pile to start the trick. So when they tell us that card is in this pile, we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of hearts, 8 of diamonds, or 10 of spades. In this case, it's the 8 of diamonds, and it could be one of these two for an alternate finish to the trick. So they tell us it's in this pile, we close it up, and we bury it between 2 piles, and then put the 3rd pile on top, just like that. Now what we do is we go into the best math trick revealed, which I have a link to right over here. We're going to make 3 piles, counting down from 10. Picture cards are worth 10, and if we get a match, which means as I count down 10, 9, 8, if I match an 8, then we move on to the next pile. If we don't get a match, we cap the pile and move on to the next. Let me show you how it works. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no match, cap it. 10, 9, there's a 9. Next pile. 10, there's a 10. Okay, now one side note. If you should cap the first 2 piles, you need to mix the cards and these 22 cards again and do it again. The trick won't work unless you have a match in one of the first 2 piles. So now we have a match, and you'll most likely get a match in one of the first 2 piles. Now we can move on and say, okay, 19. 10 plus 9 is 19. The 19th card is going to be the magic card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The 19th card is their card, which is the 8 of diamonds. Now, that's going to be their card most of the time. But if it's not their card will be one of these two cards, either the 6 of hearts or the 10 of spades. So, here are the alternate finishes. You can say, I just said that was going to be a magic card. I didn't say that was going to be your card. That card is going to help us. It's going to be an indicator. So what we want to do now is we want to play 6 cards on top. I'm going to put these cards face up right over here so you can see how this works. We want to play 6 cards on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards on top of that pile, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards on top of that pile. Then we want to deal out 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what we're doing is we're going into the amazing mathematical card trick revealed, which is a link right over here. We've now got their card is in the 3rd position of either one of these piles. So we now can say to them, and let's just assume their card was the 10 of spades. We now say to them, choose a pile. And let's say they choose this pile right over here. We could say, okay, we're going to spell out 8 of diamonds. Again, this 10 of spades is face down. So we go E-I-G-H-T, put the pack on top. Of, O-F, put the pack on top. Diamonds, D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S, put the pack on top. Now we spell out the word magic to reveal the magic card. M-A-G-I, and there it is, the 10 of spades. Now, if that is not their card, then say, I never said that was your card. That is just the final magic indicator card. And then we move on to the last pile, and we say, we're going to spell out 10 of spades to finally reveal your card. And we go T-E-N, put the pack on top. O-F, put the pack on top. S-P-A-D-E-S, put the pack on top. And now we get, again, we spell the word magic, M-A-G-I-N-C, to reveal their card is the 6 of hearts. So, again, their card could have been the 8 of diamonds, the 10 of spades, or the 6 of hearts, and those are 3 possible endings to this trick. In most cases, it will be in the 7th position, so when you do the 19 or you do the countdown, you will get to their card. If it's not, and it's in the 6th or the 8th position, then it will be in one of these two piles, and you want to get it to be the 3rd card down of 9 cards, and then go into the amazing mathematical card trick revealed. Now, if that didn't make any sense, then you're normal, because that was very complicated. But watch it over again. It's really easy to do, and it will amaze people. Good luck. That's it. Contest results are coming up in a few days. Good luck. I'll see you next time.